Hi students, welcome to my physics classes. Today we will discuss about collisions. Coming to collisions, the strong interaction between two bodies in a short time is nothing but collision. And examples are collision between two billiard balls. Suppose there are two billiard balls. This is first ball taking collision with the second ball. As a result, the first ball hit second ball and second ball also hit first ball. So here collision happen. Collision is nothing but impulse. We will discuss how it will be impulse. And next example, collision of alpha particle with nucleus. Alpha particle is considered to be positive ion, means a positive charge plus charge. It is going to take collision with a nucleus which is at rest. As a result, these particles taking collision without any physical contact, as a result it will take this path. So if you observe, there is no physical contact here, but in previous example there is a physical contact. Now we will discuss the types of collisions. Types of collisions. The first one, elastic collision, and the second type is inelastic collision. Third type, perfectly inelastic collision. Now we will discuss one by one. Elastic collision. Imagine the situation. There is a ball. Is dropped from a height h. H is the height. A ball is dropped from a height h. It will hit the ground. And imagine it will rebound to the same height. Now the height is h dash. Here we can observe the ball reaches the same height, means there is no loss in any energy. And we can observe here the mass of the ball is m. Initially speed is 0, finally it has some speed, so momentum is there. In this collision, elastic collision, momentum p bar and kinetic energy both remains constant. According to law of conservation of linear momentum and law of conservation of energy, momentum and kinetic energy both remains constant or both conserved. If these two quantities are satisfied, so that it will be treated as a elastic collision. And coming to inelastic collision, and what are the example we can say here for elastic collisions? We can observe the collision between two billiard balls. And coming to inelastic collision, if I drop any ball from a height h is the height, and after collision it cannot able to reach the same height h dash. In previous situation we can observe here h is equal to h dash, but in this situation h is greater than h dash. Here h is greater than h dash, means there is a loss in energy. Actually this energy loss in forms of heat, deformation and the sound energy we will discuss in detail next video. So here h dash is greater than h is greater than h dash, means here what happened, momentum is conserved or remains constant, momentum remained constant, but kinetic energy loss, there is a loss in kinetic energy. That is why it is cannot able to reaches the same height. Kinetic energy loss. So if momentum remains constant, kinetic energy loss, this kind of collision is known as inelastic collision. Coming to perfectly inelastic collision. A ball is dropped from a height. Now imagine this is a clay ball. After taking collision with the earth, what happened? It will break. The clay ball just breaks and it cannot able to move. It cannot able to rises upward. It will just break. But after collision completely remains zero. H after collision, H dash is equal to 0. So H is equal to 0. If you observe here, momentum remains constant, but kinetic energy completely lost. Completely loss in kinetic energy. It means 100% loss in kinetic energy.